The Nieuwe Institute has some climate problems. In the summer, the absence of shading causes severe overheating. The sun path in December shows us that when the sun is low, glare is reducing the visual comfort. If we look at the exterior, we notice that the beams have created thermal bridges. The part most affected by the climate is the glass box. In our redesign, we focus on the south-southwest part of this box.
Let's take a look at the structure. The construction is made up of 2 rows of columns, joined by the roof structure of orthogonal beams. The floor is carried by beams which are connected to the exterior columns. Vertical hanging supports carry beams that carry the 2nd and 4th floor. In the facade, crosses are placed to direct the horizontal forces to the columns. Finally, the floor slabs are added.
How can we design this facade so that the building will 1. Use less energy for heating, cooling and ventilation, and 2. Still has a high visual comfort? We must protect the view, reduce glare and make sure enough daylight will enter the building.
The illustrated system by SOM tracks the sound path providing adjusted shading. I use inflatable ATFE cushions that enlarge to create a wider shading surface according to the sound path during the day.
Instead of 1 set of blinds, I take 2 that can move separately from each other. They are transparent and polarized.
The integration of media wall and solar shading louvre are one of the most effective systems to control the internal condition of a building. This system will generate electricity and will enhance the use of natural daylight and natural ventilation. The stored solar energy will be used to light up the LEDs for a spectacular nighttime show.
Blocking the sun outside of the building prevents heat radiation inside in summer. This is done using a blind system that tracks the sun. People inside can create their own window where they want and how big they want, always guaranteeing optimal view outside. In winter you can reverse the system to make a sunblock that prevents glare.